Yeah, it is a good morning. Another beautiful, beautiful sunny morning again. And it is time for us to leave this Love's truck stop. Yes, indeed it is. It is. Yep. How are you guys doing this morning? Are you guys having a safe, good morning? Yeah? Well, I am really happy to see sunshine for a change again. Last week we drove in snow and ice rain and rain all week long, so it is really, really nice to finally see some real nice sunshine. Yeah, that's right. So, here we go. Let's get back onto this highway, big highway up here. We're going to be traveling on US 24 and then make that over towards Detroit and then cross Windsor Bridge up there again and make our way towards Toronto. We're going to Brampton. I'm not actually sure, 100% sure if I'll actually be delivering this or if it's just a drop. It looks like it's a delivery up there, but then again, you never know.
Turn left.
You never know. But we'll find out. We'll find out. I'll be calling the customer here later once I'm in Canada. I'll find out until what time they are open or whatever, or if I can just come in there and drop the trailer or whatever the deal is, right?
US 24 East Toledo.
But yeah, usually there's plenty of parking in this Love's here, and last night when I got in here, there was not a single parking spot available, and
take the entrance to the right on US 24 East Toledo.
so I kind of had to create my own. Yeah. Luckily it was enough room so that other guys could still go around me and stuff, so I generally don't have to do that, but apparently yesterday I did. So, oh well. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, is what they say. Anyways, let's hammer down, make our way towards Toronto. We'll see what kind of reload we get out of Toronto. We'll probably go to Master State tonight, depending on what kind of reload we get, depending if we have to leave right away or whatever, but generally we make time to go to Master State, right? Since I haven't been there in a couple of weeks, might actually be a good treat for me, I think. Here we go, guys. We are coming into Detroit, Michigan area right now as we speak. Got a little bit of construction going on here, it looks like, but it was definitely needed too. I know this I-75 that I'm on right now was pretty rough there in the right lane for a good while already, so it's nice to see them finally start to fix this highway up here. I really like it. And also to update you guys a little bit on what's been happening, we got a message from dispatch asking if I could go back into the US to Pennsylvania and pick up a trailer over there and then go up to Hazleton, Pennsylvania, do a trailer switch over there and then back to Mississauga. So I looked it up and yeah, that's I can do it as long as I can drop this trailer at the yard tonight, right? So I sent dispatch a message back. I said, yeah, I can do it as long as I can drop this trailer here tonight at the terminal instead of going to deliver it, because if I have to deliver it, I don't know how long that's going to take to offload and all that, right? So I said, yeah, if I can just drop this trailer at the yard, head on to the States right away, then I can drive into the States a little bit tonight, then I can do it. And so they said, perfect, yeah, we'll do that. Drop the trailer at the terminal and then go down to the States and do this. So awesome, we're gonna get some good miles after all on this trip. That makes me really, really happy. At the beginning I thought, it doesn't look like it's gonna be that good of a trip, but now it does appear like it is going to be a good trip. I'm really happy about that. So yeah, anyways, we're closer to the border up here. I think we're about 10 miles from getting to the border. We'll be crossing the border. I think I don't have to take my half-an-hour break until I get to Toronto. So if I keep my left door closed and hammer down up to Toronto, quickly go drop this trailer, and then I'm thinking about just going to go fuel up, and then go take a shower, go grab me a bite to eat there at Master Steak. We haven't been there in a while. And then I have my half-an-hour off, right? And then bobtail down towards York, PA. And the other reason why I want to do that is because I'll probably be in Toronto around 3 o'clock this afternoon. So if that's the case, by the time I drop my trailer, go fuel up and all that, it'll be rush hour time. I don't really want to drive in rush hour, so I might just sit there in Toronto for a little bit, just, you know, sit tight and enjoy supper or whatever, and then wait till the traffic dies down a little bit, then go towards the state. I think that might be a better deal for me. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully there's not a long line up here at the border, so that way I can get to Toronto without having to take my half-an-hour break. Right now I got about 4 hours worth of driving to do before I get to Toronto, and I got 5 hours and 28 minutes remaining before I got to take my half-an-hour break. So in all reality I should be able to do it, but you never know. If there is a delay at the border or whatever, then yeah, that could run into a tighter schedule, but I think we should still be alright. Anyways, they got the 75 all under construction here, and we'll get on down the road here and make our way across the border, right? I don't think I've ever shown you guys this border crossing from close up here going into Windsor, but just look at all the trucks that are around here, man. They got a bunch of booths up here where the customs are sitting, just one lane after another, as far as you can see here for a good while. Nah, I don't know as far as you can see, but yeah, it's quite a few lanes up here, that's for sure. I bet you they have about 15 lanes up here, and look how busy it is up here. Getting onto the bridge was a little difficult there. I've probably wasted about 10 minutes already just getting up to here, so, which is not too bad in all reality. I've sat up here sometimes up to about 45 minutes in the lineup, so it's actually not too bad. But anyways, looks like we got 2 trucks ahead of us here, and then we'll be at the booth, so we'll be crossing the border here in a minute. Well, we're across the border already, but we have to go through customs yet, right? Yeah, that's just it. Let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll be back in a minute. Here we are, guys, coming in towards Toronto area. Yeah, we got about 10 miles and we'll be at our terminal, and then we'll go drop this load off and hand in my big stack of paperwork. I don't know if the camera actually shows it, but that's a fairly big stack of paperwork. Probably about 1 3/4 inches, maybe almost 2 inches thick. Yeah, probably at least 1.5 inches when you put them together like that. But yeah, drop that off at the dispatch office there and get me ACE set up so I can bobtail across the border, and then we'll head over to the Flying J and get some fuel, and then we'll grab us a shower, do all that stuff, and then go over to Master Steak and have a good supper. Mind you, I will check to see how busy they are in there. Maybe I'll just grab me a shower later on tonight, because I know that Flying J, I was just thinking about it now, actually doesn't have a whole lot of shower rooms in there, and at times it can be a long waiting period over there, so I might just want to check it to make sure it's not you know, not a long lineup. I might even consider fueling later on too. I know there's a Flying J close to the border. I might even just wait to get down there and fuel up over there, but we'll see. Maybe I will fuel here. I'll make up my mind when I get there, I guess, but yeah, we are getting closer to Toronto. So Master Steak, here we come! steak in a good while, and I haven't eaten at all yet today either. So yeah, needless to say, I am hungry. Yep, that's right. So let's go take care of business, guys, and we'll see what else we will be able to show you.
Here we are, guys. It is time for our meal of the day. Master steak it is, guys. Whoa, look at that. Does that not look good or what? We got us a little bit of a salad. So let's have us a bite to eat. I'm starving.
Alright guys, now we are really full. I'm not hungry whatsoever anymore. So now we're gonna go over to another Husky truck stop. I forgot about this Husky having closed down their truck wash, and I was thinking, you know, the last few days has been such a beautiful day, you know. Last few days has been nice and sunny, so I was thinking, you know what, I want to kill some time here, because over here it's not bad with the traffic, but once you get on the big roads, the traffic is pretty bad. So I want to kill some time over here. I figured, you know what, may as well get my truck washed. It's due anyways. And so I went over there to that Husky real quickly. It's basically right beside Master Steak, but I forgot that they had shut down their wash bay. But I know there's another Husky just a couple of miles the other way here. And so I'm gonna go bobtail over there, and we can use that personal use for that, right, on the logbook here. So I'm gonna go bobtail over there and see if I can get me a truck wash over there. Hopefully I can. That would be nice. That would be real nice.
We have come to the end of the day again, guys. Yeah, it's actually the next morning already, but we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, close off the show for today, and get a new day started, right? We had us a good night's sleep. We drove kind of till we were maxed out with our hours. We kind of had to in order to make our pickup today and be back in Toronto, right? And I don't know what happened. I miscalculated it a little bit on the Google map thing there, and all of a sudden I realized it's actually further than what it was. So I had to work my butt off so I could actually make this happen, you know. So, but I think we should be able to. So let's go ahead and get out of here, start our new day, and let's go get our load and all that stuff. And well, first we got to go get our empty trailer, and then go over to Hazelton and pick up our preloaded trailer and all that stuff, and then make our way back to Toronto. So let's make this happen, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.